Netsuite billing, subscription billing, managing rating runs, automatic rating runs. Okay, so rating runs. Last video was around usage, and now we're looking at rating. Now, there's three different kinds of rating runs or rating related videos that I'm going to make. One is about automatic rating runs, one is about billing operations, and one is about scheduled billing operations. Alright, so let me just get logged in back there. And so let me go and click on my hyperlink there. Right, there we go. Managing rating runs is the process of creating charges for subscription line items. NetSuite calculates charges for a subscription using the information on its line items, such as the quantities, pricing, and usage shown in the price plan and price book, the effective date of the subscription, the status of the subscription, and its line items. Right, so charges for these guys. Right, you use a change order to set and change the status of the subscription line items. Right, now really important are these raidable events that I believe I've mentioned before. Certain tasks, not everything, excuse me, but certain tasks you perform on a subscription line item that affect NetSuite charge calculations. For example, renewing a line item, here's more examples, are called raidable events. Examples of actions that call raidable events include activating a line, reactivating, renewing, suspending, terminating, modifying, saving. All right. Now, so really important to remember, because there's when you let's say execute a raidable event, there's going to be an automatic run, right? So let's just focus on these automatic runs for the moment, which are only related to raidable events. When you save an action that causes a raidable event, NetSuite automatically starts calculating the charges specified in the subscription. So automatically. Right, this is called a rating run. You can also generate charges on demand, and you can schedule. What they're talking about here are the other two options, right? Billing operations and scheduled billing operations. All right, when you save any change order, a raidable event occurs which starts a rating run automatically. Only one change order of a specific type can occur per day on a subscription line item. Really important. For example, you modify the price of a line item using a modify pricing change order, then realize you need to add a discount. You must wait 24 hours to create another modify price changing order for the same. It's really important to remember. And obviously to teach the sales staff, they need to understand this very clearly. The same is true for quantity changes, right? 24-hour wait. All right, here's a case example. Consider a subscription line item cell phone service that starts on 1 January and ends on 31 December. You create a change order that changes the subscription start date to February 1. When you save the activation change order record, rating occurs. Right, so you can go and read through this, but let's go to NetSuite now, right? So log me out again. Alright, so here's a subscription record that you'd have seen me create in previous records, and you can see I have already got two change orders here due to raidable events, and one was modifying pricing and one is activation. Alright, so and then you can click through and you can go and see the details. Right, so yeah, so that is the automatic ones. They are just going to happen. So I guess those are the more simple ones. So I will in a moment go to the other two videos for the other two options.